This is the Vevor heavy-duty folding platform truck. Now, full disclosure, they did send this to me for review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so when you first get this, it's gonna come flat packaged in this box, and pulling it out is pretty much fully assembled already. All you have to do is attach the 4 casters, using these bolts, lock washers, and lock nuts through the top right here, just like this, and then you can cap them off with these plastic caps. Alright, here we go. Super quick and easy to put together, especially if you use a socket wrench. And I do really like the way this thing came out. It looks very solid. Just to give you an idea of the structure underneath, here is what that looks like. The whole platform is made from a hard plastic, and it's about 1.5 inches thick. There's also a metal support tube running under both wheels. Same thing down here. And that's definitely going to help keep this thing nice and flat. And this thing is rated for up to 1,000 pounds. There's 2 of these nice large 5-inch casters on the front, held on by some nice solid metal brackets. And then on the other side there are 2 more 5-inch casters, but these of course are swivel casters. And flipping this thing back over here, the platform has some different built-in gripper pads. And that's just all of these sort of rubber or plastic inserts here. They just kind of fit right into place. Not sure how necessary they are, but they do provide some extra grip. You'll also notice there are 4 of these handles, so you can easily pick this thing up and carry it around. Then of course the actual handle on here is made from steel, and it has a bracket down below that lets you rotate it. You can kind of just step on this rod and then you can fold that down. Makes it easier to store or carry around. And then when you're ready to use it, you just lift it up and it locks into place. And it does have a little bit of movement here, but overall it is very sturdy. The wheels make it very easy to maneuver around. It rolls very nicely. And I don't really have anything to load up on here, but it is rated to support up to 1,000 pounds. And with the extra metal supports underneath, I would trust it for that. Also, it does have a pretty long bungee cord here, so if you want to better secure something onto here, you can use it. So it is very sturdy and can definitely come in handy if you need to wheel around heavy buckets of, say, sheetrock mud, or maybe to load up with boxes of tile or bags of mortar. Whatever you're using it for, as long as you keep it under 1,000 pounds, this should handle it just fine.